Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful dash cams on the market right now, the VIOFO A229 Ultra 2CH Dual 4K Dash Cam. This is a front and rear dual camera setup packed with next-gen imaging sensors, crystal clear 4K HDR recording on both lenses, ultra-fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, and a seriously smart parking mode. If you're looking for the ultimate in driving surveillance tech, stay with me for the next 5 minutes as we break it all down. So, what makes the A229 Ultra stand out? For starters, both the front and rear cameras record in real 4K. That's 2160p on each end. You're not just getting great resolution from the front lens and a lesser backup from the rear. This is true dual 4K. And it's all powered by Sony's second-generation Star VIS-2IMX678 sensors. The dash cam itself is sleek, matte black, and minimalist. No flashy design here, just business. It mounts easily, stays secure, and is discreet enough not to draw attention. Let's talk video quality. The A229 Ultra's standout feature is the clarity. Thanks to those Star VIS-2 sensors, it performs brilliantly not just during the day, but especially at night. You get enhanced low-light clarity, less noise, and dramatically better dynamic range. Headlights don't blow out, shadows don't disappear, and license plates are legible even at high speeds. Add in HDR support for both channels, and you're capturing super balanced footage in bright sun or complete darkness. On the connectivity front, VIOFO stepped things up with integrated 5 GHz Wi-Fi. This means you can transfer videos to your phone or computer significantly faster than older 2.4 GHz models. Pair that with the VIOFO app, and reviewing clips, changing settings, or sharing footage is smooth and frustration-free. You also get built-in GPS. But not just the usual kind. It uses 4 satellite positioning systems: GPS, Beidou, Galileo, and GLONASS. That means more accurate and reliable data on your car's speed, route, and location, all embedded in the video files. Another smart touch is voice control. You can command the A229 Ultra to start recording, snap a photo, or toggle Wi-Fi using just your voice, even while driving. It supports multiple languages and gives you voice feedback for things like memory card errors or setting changes. That's a big help when you're on the road and can't look at the screen. It's these little usability features that make a big difference over time. Now, onto one of the most advanced parking modes we've seen. The A229 Ultra gives you 3 options. First, time-lapse mode, which records at a set frame rate to save storage while still giving you footage. Then there's low bitrate mode, which records continuously but uses less space. And finally, auto event detection. This one's smart. It buffers 15 seconds before and records 30 seconds after any detected motion or impact. That means you won't just get the moment of the incident, but the lead up too. You will need the HK4 or HK6 hardwire kit to unlock parking mode, and that's sold separately. There are a couple of optional upgrades worth mentioning. A corporal filter can be attached to reduce windshield glare, especially useful on sunny days. And a Bluetooth remote lets you instantly save a clip while driving with just a button press. This is ideal for emergencies or if you spot something important. Both of these are sold separately but definitely worth considering. So that's the VIOFO A229 Ultra. Dual 4K recording, next-gen sensors, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, detailed GPS tracking, intuitive voice control, and a versatile parking mode. This dash cam brings a lot to the table. It's not just about capturing footage. It's about clarity, speed, control, and security. If you're serious about dash cams, this might be the one to get. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a hands-on comparison with other models like the A229 Plus or the A119 V3. See you in the next one.